All right, Cass. So for this next test, I'm going to see how your motion detectors respond to being in different positions. And I'm going to give you some concentration tasks during the test. For example, I might say count back from 200 by threes or something like that. All I need from you is to keep your eyes open and try to stay relaxed. All right, so we'll go ahead and get started. So I want you to swing your feet up on the table and scoot back for me. That's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna have you lean back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so for all the different positions, Cass will stay there for 20 seconds while I observe for nystagmus. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a concentration task. I want you to count back from 1,000 by sevens.
1,993. 884.
Perfect. All right, so 20 seconds have elapsed. I did not observe any nystagmus. Next, I want you to turn to the right as quickly and as comfortably as you can, like you're looking at your alarm clock. In 3, 2, 1. All right, great. And you can let your head relax. Perfect. So we're gonna stay here for 20 seconds. Let's say there is nystagmus. So I want to rule out the neck torsion by having Cass go to a right sideline position. So I want you to take your right hand and grab the side of the table and then bend your left knee. And we're gonna roll over to your right side in 3, 2, 1. All right, great. Okay, so we're gonna have her sit here for 20 seconds. If nystagmus is not observed, that means it was due to the neck torsion. And if the nystagmus continues, then it's due to something other than neck torsion. All right, so now we're gonna have you go back to your back in 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Okay, so now I want you to look to your left in 3, 2, 1. All right, awesome. Okay, so no nystagmus is observed, so I won't ask her to go to a left sideline position, although I would if there was nystagmus, just to rule out the neck torsion component. So now I'm gonna have her go back to center as 20 seconds has elapsed in 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now I want you to bend your head back as quickly and as comfortably as you can in 3, 2, 1. All right, so I want her head extended back 20 to 30 degrees. For the clinician, that would be 2 fists from her chin to chest. Thank you. Awesome, and no nystagmus is observed over the 20 seconds, so we'll have her sit back up in 3, 2, 1. Perfect.